Hello, grade 12 ISC students. Wishing you good luck. All the best for your exam, first exam, English language. This video can prove to be very fruitful for both grade 11 and 12 ISC. So, English language, let me tell you essay topics: AI, education, parenting, democracy, working women, housewives, social media, internet, mobile, dress code, ragging, etc. etc. These are argumentative topics. So be prepared with at least one. Then coming to some narrative or descriptive topics, you will be definitely coming across something related to family trip, get together, occasions, events, some deadly accident, some deadly encounter, and something very horrifying. You can frame it in the form of a ghost story. Then there are one words: destiny, praise, worship, love, nature. Generally, you people get like faith, belief, and all. Generally, students get the positive topics related to one word, and then complete the story. Again, the same thing. Story can be in the form of horror or four friends together, five friends together, going for a trip, journey, and all. Now, coming to proposal. Generally, it has been noticed that proposals are based on clubs: science, maths, personality development, English, literary. Such topics are given to students. No problem. In case if a proposal even comes for farewell and fresher, that you have been asked to request the principal to hold the farewell and freshers party in the school campus itself, not a problem. The format would be the same: title, introduction, objectives, list of measures, and a very short conclusion. That's it. Coming to the most difficult and unexpected part: whether speech, article, report, reviews, statement of purpose, etc. etc. Let me tell you, statement of purpose and personal profile both are the same. You have to write about yourself. Each and every question would consist of various hints. Please follow the hints, 250 words, and divide those hints. Like, for example, if you are getting 10 hints and 250 words is your word limit, so each and every hint you'll have to write only 15, or sorry, 25 words, because 10 into 25, 250 words. So this is how your section A, that is essay writing, proposal writing, and report writing. Why did I use this term report writing? Because 90% chances of report writing and 10% chances of rest of the things. So be prepared with report, please. Unseen passage, you have been used to. You have been doing this since grade 9. When you people were in grade 9, Pressy writing, same 50 words box. But now in grade 11 and 12, you have to make 100 words box. Make a rough draft, follow the unseen passage, read it carefully, and straight away jot down the words. As simple as that. No need to copy the entire thing. Please use conjunctions in order to shorten the sentences. Unseen passage, write the answers accordingly. Study it carefully. You have 3 hours. Please, grade 11 and 12, utilize 15 minutes reading time. Then only you would be able to complete the paper in 3 hours. Coming to transformation of sentences: although, unless, until, if. Hardly had, no sooner, not only, but also. Notwithstanding, nevertheless. Direct, indirect speech, active, passive voice, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree of adjective, use of to, use of so that, either or, as well as soon as. Now coming to one more interesting section. I just missed it. You must have seen that there are 3 to 4 words of unseen passage in which these people ask you to just find out the option which is not equal to that word. Easy. Start eliminating the options very carefully. You will definitely get the answer. Now coming to prepositions. Prepositions, phrasal preposition. Very difficult section. I hope you are aware of these phrasal prepositions. Call, call for, call of, call at. Now, next one. Broke, broke into, broke down, broke off, broke out. The third thing, in the similar manner, agree with, agree to, look for, look around, take after, deprived of, put out, put off, put in, set out, set off, look through, come across, mind it. Prepositions, in case if you get two questions back to back and if you get the same phrasal word, for example, I am going to look dash, I am going to look dash my grandparents. So this is called look after my grandparents. Fine. You will be getting the incorrect preposition. And the next question would also be based on that we are looking dash to this meeting, looking forward. So the first question will not be equal to the second question. No two similar prepositions would be filled in those blanks. This is one thing to be taken care. Please. The first question will have a different preposition, I'm damn sure. So be prepared with phrasal prepositions, read it at any cost, try to memorize it. You never know. Hard work pays off. Now coming to the last section, verbs, it would be easy. Would have, could have, should have, the form of be. Please study this form be. It changes into was, were and been. So you won't be getting any options when it comes to fill in the blank with the correct form of verb. So you'll have to be very careful while applying the verbs, because you'll have to read lines and come out with a wonderful solution that whether the passage has been written in the present tense, past tense, or is it talking about the future. So all the best. Utilize your 15 minutes reading times. Similarly, I would be posting a video based on English literature. Thank you so much.